Admiral Kexthor stood frozen before the holographic display, his 3 hearts beating erratically. The Galactic Census Bureau had processed genetic data from thousands of species over millennia, but nothing had ever triggered Protocol Red before. Not until now. Not until humanity. 50% unknown, he whispered, his mandibles clicking nervously. That's impossible. Every carbon-based life form shares at least 70% compatibility with the Universal Genetic Database. The human ambassador, Dr. Sarah Chen, sat calmly in the observation chamber, seemingly unaware of the chaos erupting around her. Security drones hovered at maximum alert. 3 council species had already evacuated their diplomatic quarters. The Xinthian Empire was threatening to quarantine Earth's entire system. Dr. Velnara, the Census Bureau's chief geneticist, materialized beside Kexthor. Her luminescent skin pulsed with agitation. Admiral, it's worse than we thought. The unknown sequences aren't corrupted data or contamination. They're active. Functional. And they don't match anything in the known universe. Could they be synthetic? Engineered? That was our first hypothesis. But these sequences show evolutionary markers. They're ancient, Admiral. Older than some galactic civilizations. Kexthor accessed his neural link, reviewing the preliminary analysis. The known 50% of human DNA was unremarkable, standard primate evolution, carbon-oxygen metabolism, typical neurotransmitters. But the other half, it defied classification. Sequences that shouldn't produce viable proteins somehow created complex neural pathways. Junk DNA that wasn't junk at all, but rather something beyond their comprehension. Get the human in here, Kexthor commanded. Now. Dr. Chen entered the command center with the casual confidence that had unsettled every species she encountered. Where others saw a crisis, she saw curiosity. Ambassador Chen, Kexthor began, his voice tight with controlled panic. Your species' genetic structure is causing considerable alarm. We need answers. What are you? Sarah smiled softly. We're human, Admiral. Just human. Impossible. These sequences come from Earth, she interrupted. Our planet is ancient, Admiral. 4.5 billion years old. Life didn't just evolve there once. It evolved, died, evolved again, over and over. Mass extinctions, genetic bottlenecks, horizontal gene transfer from countless extinct lineages. She leaned forward. Your database catalogs current galactic life. Our DNA carries echoes of 1 billion years of terrestrial evolution you've never encountered. Dr. Velnara's skin flickered. You're saying this unknown DNA is simply old Earth life? Lost evolutionary branches? Viruses, archaea, extinct megafauna, organisms from epochs your world's never experienced. It's all there, written in our cells. We're not anomalies, Admiral. We're archives. Living museums of our world's biological history. Kexthor felt his tension ease, replaced by wonder. Humanity wasn't a threat. They were a reminder that the universe was far older and stranger than the Galactic Census could ever catalog. Some mysteries weren't dangers, they were simply evidence of time's endless creativity. Welcome to the galactic community, Kexthor said finally. Though I suspect you'll be rewriting our textbooks. Sarah's smile widened. We usually do.